Are you looking for a once-in-a-lifetime adventure? The Mayan jungle Canopy Zipline will have you soaring high above the Honduran rainforest. Embrace the incredible sights from above, and then come face to face with the island's most beloved animals. This 4.5-hour tour begins at the zipline course. Experience a dozen ziplines that range from over 1,000 feet long to 300 feet high. Cross from platform to platform through the jungle for this thrilling ride you'll never forget. Your expert tour guides will be there to ensure your safe crossing, and if you're feeling brave enough, why not try a Superman pose and really fly high? Next, you'll make your way to the Monkey and Sloth Sanctuary, where Roatan's cutest animals are waiting to meet you. You'll get to hold a smiling sloth, meet some swinging monkeys, and marvel at the beautiful native birds. From here, you're on your way to try some of the island's famous treats. Stop at the Roatan Chocolate Factory to see a bit of their chocolate making process, and then try some of the local rum and rum cakes. From here, you'll finish up the day with a scenic drive back to your drop-off point. So if you're looking for an incredible adventure mixed in with some furry animals and some local treats, then this is the perfect tour for you.